Hello and welcome to Colin Bunyan and his winter recipe specials. Tonight I'm going to be knocking out roast potatoes, some good quality spuds. Must be floury, so no waxy spuds, none of your new potatoes. I go for Maris Pipers, always the case with them. King Edwards can work if you can't find Maris Pipers, but they're the premium ones. Okay, now we're going to start off with saucepan, water. I'm going to put in some rock salt. It'll dissolve, so don't sweat. You don't want too much, just a bit of rock salt. Right. And now for the curveball. Bicarb of soda. Yes, about a teaspoon. You don't want much. Okay, too much and you taste the soda and you don't want that. But what that does is it turns the water alkaline so that when it reacts with the potatoes that are slightly acidic, they end up instant blister. Beautiful crunch. So now, oven on to gas mark 8, the pan's on to boil, 30 grams of lard into an oven at gas mark 8. Get that bad boy melting. Now the water is boiling. I've got potatoes cut up here, Maris Pipers. I just peeled them, quartered them, and for the largest one, put them in 6. So cut them into 6, bung them in, they need to parboil for 10 minutes. And a little trick that I picked up, if you place a wooden spoon over the top of the pan, it breaks the surface tension of the bubbles so it doesn't boil over. This leaves you to do with the rest of the stuff. Right, as you can see, the potato is very golden, very parboiled. Edges, the inside's white, the edges are just done, and they're just starting to break up at the edge of the potato. That is what you need to do. That's what you need to get them at. So you can take that off the heat, take it off the heat, and drain. Place it back in a bowl and let it steam for a few minutes. Give them a nice spin around the Commodore for a little bit, not too much. But you can see already they're starting to break up. Don't know how well you can see because of the steam, but they're breaking up at the edges. You need that whenever you're doing that. So I'm leaving them back in the pan so they can drain for a little bit. Right, then very carefully, because the tripod's in the way, take out this tray of hot lard. Now that is smoking hot, so I've got to be careful here because water and fat does not mix. I'm standing well back. That's okay. That's not bad at all. Right, give them a toss in the lard. Give them a toss in the lard, and then I'll move them to one side so I can get my carrots involved, and then my Dalmatian rub, as I call it, Dalmatian rub, salt and pepper. Looks like there's a lot, but there actually ain't, so. That goes into the oven 40 minutes. Do not, and I repeat, do not take it out to turn the potatoes over. Leave them there. The flavour's going to permeate through and they get much crisper. You leave them in the oven. Gas mark 8, 40 minutes. And don't worry about the carrots, they'll be fine as well. Okay, now the roast potatoes have been in for 45 minutes. And have a look at those beauties right there. Look at that. That is what you call beautifully well done crispy roast potatoes. Fork does not lie. Get those onto a plate and get them served up. Okay, I'm going to go for the smallest roast potato. I don't want to focus too much on the chicken because I was going to wrap it in bacon. As you can tell, never happened. So, smallest roast potato. Oh man. Yep, very hot. Beautifully crisp, beautifully tender on the inside. Absolutely, oh, that's a cute little one, isn't it? Right, that is how you do the perfect roast potato, and I will see you next time. Catch you later.